Let's talk about stubbornness, hard-headedness. Yours or mine, or both. So, I'll use my own example. Sometimes I'm called stubborn, hard-headed, but anytime I'm called those things, I always reflect for a moment because I want to know if I am in a way that's good or bad. Like, the said topic that I might be stubborn about, is it something that's saving my life or is it something that would slowly kill me if I surrendered? I don't know. Every situation is completely different. So, for example, if someone is telling me I'm stubborn because they're coming from a place of they're comfortable with me shrinking to a certain size, or they've socially constructed a box for me to live inside of so that they feel comfortable with me, and if I get outside of that box, time you're stubborn, you're hard-headed. If it's something rooted in that, then I would say I'm stubborn and hard-headed in the right way, right? And maybe this other person is stubborn and hard-headed, I would argue, in the wrong way. So those are important nuances to consider when someone's accusing you of being stubborn or hard-headed or stuck in your ways. Well, I would say stuck in your ways kind of implies that you're the kind of person that doesn't like to learn or grow, have new experiences, all that kind of stuff. And, if somebody wants to stay a certain size, whatever, that's fine, no judgment here. But just making a decision for myself, and I think most people who follow any of my content are probably in the belief of it's better to learn and grow as we get older. So, when people call you stubborn or hard-headed, what are they talking about? And whatever you do, gosh, don't think about it in binary terms. People that think binary, black and white, they're almost always wrong because that is highly inaccurate of just life itself, or looking at anything with a truly objective lens. It's, to say the least, very inaccurate to just paint everything as black and white or to look at things in binary. Life just comes with a lot of nuance in almost everything, and there's a spectrum of different nuances. There's different scopes of from here to here, or maybe it goes more than, maybe it's, who knows, but you know what I'm saying. So we have to use our brains and think. I think the primary reason why people look at things in black and white or in binary is to not have to think. It's lazy, in my opinion, to not draw those nuances. So when someone says I'm stubborn or hard-headed, it's an individualized situation. In this particular instance, is it hurting or is it helping? And if I'm hard-headed in a way that's hurting, well, then I gotta be honest with myself and grow, evolve, and self-criticize in a self-loving kind of way, not a self-loathing or a demonizing kind of way. So, some food for thought for you the next time you think you might be being a little stubborn, or somebody calls you stubborn or hard-headed. Just think about maybe where they're coming from, and most importantly, are you stuck on something in a way that's hurting or helping? Learning and growing every day, right? That's all I got. TomBerkemeyer.com is my website, just like it's spelled here on social media, TomBerkemeyer.com. I'm stubborn about blowing you kisses at the end of my videos. Very hard-headed about it. Bye for now.